Hi YouTube viewers, this is Vicious Animal Thing doing another product review today and unboxing. So today I have a little bit of a different review for you. Today I'm reviewing a Ryobi 2-cycle gash trimmer, and it's got an expanded feature on it. So I've got one of those to the air blower. It's a 2-cycle straight shaft. There's a picture of it. It says it's got a zip start carburetor, extended reach straight shaft, fast loading string head. A couple of the specifications for this trimmer: it's 2-cycle, 18-inch cutting path. It's got a 95 thousandths string diameter and it weighs about 12 pounds. Here's a little bit more on the expanded feature. You can get a blower, which I did buy. This one comes with a straight shaft trimmer. They do sell the power head by itself, so that makes sense why they might put that on there, or if you need a replacement. Edger, hedge trimmer, brush cutter, cultivator, pole pruner, and curve shaft trimmer. I don't know if it's because all these trimmers are made by the same actual manufacturer, but these expanded feet attachments are compatible with all these brands. So here's what the trimmer box opened up. It looks like it's fairly well packaged for what it is. Here's the trimmer unpackaged, and you can see they put a little protective stuff on their bag of accessories and a little bag over the power head. Here's the trimmer all assembled. The grass deflector just attaches to the little bracket that's riveted to the shaft. It's got a little thumb screw that you unloosen. The quick connect type system they have has a little push button thing, and then you just tighten this down to help clamp it on there. The handle, just remove that thumb screw and slide it over the bar and place it where you want to. But that's it. One little cool feature they include with the attachment, it's called a attachment hanger, and then so if you're not using it, you can slide that over and that little button will pop out there, and then you can hang it from hooks or something. All the documentation they include is probably more than you'll ever read, and that's a very thick manual, but it's got some assembly instructions that fold out here, and I don't think you'll need them, but do keep that because it does have some instructions on doing some other things. It's got a part list, that's pretty nice, and then it's got a starting document, that's pretty nice, little advertisement, and then they throw a little bit of the 2-cycle oil in. Two quick things before I get going here. It's a 26cc unit, and unlike a lot of the trimmers that I've seen, the 2-cycle trimmers, this requires a 50-to-1 oil to gas ratio instead of the normal 40-to-1. One feature this trimmer has that I haven't seen before is it has a clutch built into it that disengages the trimmer head when the engine's revving low. So don't get fooled by that and thinking there's something wrong with it. You just have to rev it up and the clutch will engage, and I like it because it's a good safety feature. This is the piece of junk trimmer the Ryobi's placing. I'd like to use a few expletives, but I won't, just to keep it clean. It's a Southland XT, Southland brand. I wouldn't wish this on anybody. This thing is a piece of garbage. The engine seems okay, and I had a weed eater that broke, and I actually took the carburetor off of it, and its carburetor is actually very similar to the one on the Ryobi, and I think that's good because that weed eater started up so easy and ran so easy, and the way this Ryobi is acting reminds me just like it. Anyway, this thing had a plastic carburetor, and it ain't no wonder it took 500 pulls to start. So if you really hate somebody, and I don't mean just like dislike, I mean hate passionately, like if you hate George Bush because he was such a horrible president,
like buy him one of these for his birthday, and that will be the absolute worst thing you will ever do to anybody, because I'm telling you, you'll pull that thing 300 times to get it to run, and then you'll be lucky if it stays running. So say no to Southland, they're garbage. Alright, so I just got done running the trimmer and it started up. Very easy. This is Vicious Animal Thing. Very happy. And I'll probably do a follow-up review when I start using the air blower here, so look for it. Bye.